The next business I would start is a home maintenance and handyman subscription service. Oh my goodness. This would be a heaven sent for so many people here in Portugal. You see, Portugal has older housing, quirky plumbing, and interesting electrical setups. People are constantly in need of little fixes. And more importantly, they're in need of inspections. And so a maintenance and handyman subscription service could help them address small needs before they became big issues. Imagine having a service that came in quarterly to inspect your home and make sure everything was running smoothly throughout every season of the year. And I'll give you an example of what I mean. Right now, it's rainy season in Portugal, and so many people are experiencing humidity, mold, leaks, all of these things. This is the time when you need someone to come to your home and identify what's causing the problem. Because these are the types of things that you can only see when it's raining, when it's cold, when the environment is inflicting all of this stress on your home. You see, the problem in Portugal is that a lot of these problems are one-off and random. And when most people encounter these problems, they go through a lot of stress trying to fix them. They usually have to know a guy that knows a guy that knows someone else that might show up and might know how to fix the problem. So the business is actually very straightforward. It's a home maintenance membership. Customers pay a monthly or annual fee, and in return, they get a certain number of small jobs included. Plus, they get priority booking when something breaks. And they get routine inspections to make sure that things don't go wrong in the future. You see, this is perfect for landlords with multiple units, busy professionals, older people living alone, expats who just want someone they can message and say, please fix this. This is one of those boring businesses that could absolutely take off. So if you can build a good system and a trusted brand, the reoccurring revenue on this could be beautiful.